1st December is celebrated as World AIDS Day. This year's theme is Ending the HIV/AIDS Epidemic, Resilience and Impact. HIV/AIDS emerged nearly 40 years ago and has claimed almost 33 million lives so far. As per WHO, there were an estimated 38 million people living with HIV at the end of 2019. As per National AIDS Control Organization (NACO), in 2017, 2.1 million people were living with HIV in India, and national adult HIV prevalence in India was estimated at 0.22%. On this World AIDS Day, let us walk through India's fight against this deadly epidemic. In 1992, India launched National AIDS Control Program (NACP) to eradicate HIV/AIDS with comprehensive data-informed approach to policy and priority setting. India's National Antiretroviral Treatment Program was launched on 1st April 2004. In early 2000s, India aided developing nations with low-cost generic medicines to fight HIV, but more on that later. In 2007, India became the first country in South Asia to create national response to children affected by AIDS. In 2016, the government started an effective program, Project Sunrise, to tackle the rising HIV prevalence in northeastern states in India, especially among people injecting drugs. The Indian government adopted Test and Treat in April 2017 under WHO's guidance. In India, a landmark HIV and AIDS Prevention and Control Act 2017 came into force from September 10, 2018 that provides a rights-based framework to ensure a dignified life without stigma and discrimination for people living with HIV. The groundbreaking decision of India's Supreme Court to strike down law criminalizing LGBTI people in 2018 has promoted access and usage of HIV prevention as well as utilization of testing and treatment services by LGBTI people. India's unique targeted interventions approach has been particularly effective to stem the epidemic amongst high-risk groups such as males having sex with males (MSM), sex workers, and people who inject drugs (PWID). Viral load testing policies to provide comprehensive free care, support, and treatment, with around 1.3 million people availing free treatment and support services under these initiatives. India has been lauded by UNAIDS time and again for its AIDS awareness programs and outreach campaigns. By 2016, deaths due to AIDS in India have been reduced by nearly 55% since 2007, while new HIV infections saw a reduction by 66% since 2000. A look at the antiretroviral treatment stats in India. In 2017, 56% of people living with HIV were on treatment, a significant rise from 2013 when the coverage stood at just 36%. More women than men are on treatment, 63% versus 50%. People living with HIV made almost 11 million visits to the ART centers in 2017. In 83% of these visits, clinic attendees received an evaluation for tuberculosis.